Hello, fellow UOPs. Welcome to the class PRG 420. Glad you made it this far. Keep going, man. It's well worth it, trust me. Anyways, week one. Simple program. You got to write a hello world in the terminal. Simple. All you do is go to new project. You select an application because that's what we're going to write. We're not doing an applet. An applet runs within inside of an HTML browser. Or alongside an HTML browser or in the background of something. We want an application which is going to be a foreground application. It could be a terminal application or it could be a GUI application that runs within Windows, Linux, Unix, any OS for that matter. Same principles apply. A terminal is a terminal, or a DOS prompt or application is within the GUI. So we're just going to leave this alone. Make sure it is set to Java and Java application. Hit next. I'm going to change my project here, put it right back into NetBeans main project, or I could just say hello world. Simple enough. Give it some sort of name. Hello world. And go. This project is real simple. Don't let it confuse you. Don't overthink it. You can use Gaddis. 2011, page 28, I believe, is where I got this original information from. They may have changed the book, so I don't know. Don't know if they did or not. So what we're going to do here is we are going to do nothing other than go down to where it says to do code application logic here. We can leave that alone. Comment. Make sure you comment everything. Now, Java is case sensitive, so our first line and only line we're going to write today is system.out. Okay. Dot, and we can wait for AutoSense to come up, and we can do print line, just PRI. And we want to scroll down to print line, and we can just scroll down to this one. Either one of these will work, or any three of these will work, or 4, or 5, or 6. It doesn't matter. They're already prearranged for particulars, like null, nothing there. But we want to change that. We want to put a string in. So we want to do quote, hello world. And it's just, you're done. You're done. You can comment this out because this is in the book, but you see I didn't write it from the book. I wrote it right from the terminal screen here. Sorry, spelling. And you can comment this, and you can, reference this just by putting Gaddis, because it is in the book. And I want to make the teacher happy. Make them happy. Page 28. Done. Done. And you can reference it. I'm just going to cut, copy, and paste my reference over from the previous project I did. And we could put it anywhere. We could put it here. We could put it here. We could put it here. But if you follow APA style, put it at the bottom of the page. And they kind of like this to be centered. It's per APA. It doesn't really matter. And now you're commented. And this, if you want to get a little deeper into it, is the main method. My gosh, I cannot spell today. This is your main class. Simple. And you can, this is also in the book. So you can also comment this as Gaddis, or you can just put main class. Simple enough either way. Doesn't matter. You've got several versions of print in there, as you saw from the AutoSense, or IntelliSense. You got print in LN. Print LN is just a new line. You can just seriously just continue with your code, print.out, print, new line, and we can select any of them. And there again, auto, and you say hello again. Simple, and new line. Either way, now let's see if it runs. And we just go to run. Obviously, if you're debugging, you can mark a line for debug or step into and go from there. And as you can see, the output window does say hello world and hello again, and we can continue that. If you don't want, you can take this out and run it again and see what it looks like, and it should have hello world, hello again. There again, so the LN is kind of important, you know. Otherwise, you have one big old jumbled line that'll stretch for eternity until you tell it new line. Save your project. Just go to File, Save. Save all. You're done. You're done. Now, I've already opened Explorer over here. You guys want to be able to turn this in. So, it's under My Documents, under NetBeans. If you leave everything by default, you go to NetBeans, NetBeans Projects, and there you are, Hello World. And what you want to do is just right-click and send to compressed file. Okay, that'll give you your whole project, and to verify that, double-click it. It should open up a new window. And there's your Hello World. Simple that. There's your build. There's the whole project. Your source. You could just turn in your Hello World, and there you are. And you can open it, and to verify, this is the code. Now, you want to send this to your teacher. Now you can send per request of the teacher what he wants. I generally send the whole project to him. Now, mind you, if you send the whole project to him, it will have a history of all your changes. Or you could just send the hello world from the source. Or you could just send him the Java. Send to compressed file. Now remember, you got your name underscore week 1 underscore PRG underscore 420. I like the underscore because I'm old school. And there you go. Upload that and you're done. No time flat. Thank you for watching. And keep an eye out for more videos. Talk to you later.